All right, welcome to another edition of the ShadowTrader Video Weekly for Sunday, August 1, 2021. Everything you need to know in 3 minutes. I just set a timer, 3:03, 3:02, and there, it just started at 3 minutes, and we're going to start talking about the market. All right, so let's start with the monthlies here. We just closed a new month, so it kind of makes sense to start here. Big trend, much higher, obviously, but really what we want to look at is the overextension from the 20. This is 9 months now of higher highs, so keep that in mind. Do I think that's problematic? Could be, could go on much longer if you look at some of these months up here, although these months are starting to be much bigger range. So just something to kind of keep in the back of your mind. I don't think it's anything to just change course as of yet. Same thing with the SPX, number of months straight up. Obviously the SPX had a little bit of this activity here, so it's not, there was a little bit of pause there, which kind of takes some of the froth out. We'll keep that in mind. And last but not least, the run. Russell is just a mess. It continues to be in the middle of the range that I have been talking about, so there's really nothing going on with small caps as of yet at all. All right, now, to get a little bit more granular, instead of looking at the daily chart, since we don't have a whole lot of time, let's go into the market profile instead, and let's look at it this way. So one of the things that I've been pointing out to my subscribers over the course of this week is the fact that this value here has been relatively unchanged. You've got all these sessions where all of the yellow areas are the same. Now Friday we had a gap down that was kind of ugly at the open on the heels of Amazon getting trashed about 300 points overnight, but look at where the value is, where the value ended up. Over the last 4 sessions, right, except for this one, 3 of the 4 value areas were identical. And if you look at all these sessions together, which is 6 sessions, there has really been no change in value. So the market is essentially balancing to higher here. There's not a lot going on. So you want to continue to be, I think, biasing yourself long. That simply makes sense at this juncture. And if we flip over to here, what am I doing, right? I always say that how I feel about the market is always best described as how aggressive I am or not. Only have like 3 plays on. Sold puts in Amazon on the near the open, actually, for good credit, for solid credit. That's just taking credit. But here's what I want you guys to focus on. Long Tesla and long ADSK. ADSK I just kind of started legging into. I might actually get heavier than that. We only have 1 unit on right there. But Tesla, for instance, we are short 6 units of the put ratio, which we got fat credits for. These almost collapsed down to 0 already after just like 2 days worth. And we're long the 680-700 call vertical rather. And again, the reason for this why is because you want to be in whatever names are showing the most relative strength. And Tesla is absolutely looking fantastic right now, breaking up towards the 700 there. ADSK came onto my radar as well. Notice that it had a breakout here, and we're out of time. Sorry, that's the market in 3 minutes. All right, you guys have a wonderful rest of your weekend. On behalf of myself and the entire ShadowTrader team here in beautiful Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, I wish you good trading and good night.